y'all used whisper phones before?
I have those at my house. I used to play with them.
You used to play with them, yeah. So the whisper phones, what you do with the whisper phones is you whisper and it'll sound really loud when you're reading to yourself, okay? So you're going to use a whisper phone. It's like a phone, so you're going to put it from your mouth to your ear, right? And you're going to whisper, and when you whisper, you're going to hear that it sounds very loud. So you're going to read the book. When you finish the book, you're going to start over again. You're going to go back to the beginning and read it again. So when you finish, are you going to tell me, I'm done?
No.
No, what are you going to do?
Go back.
Go back and
Read it
read it again. Because whenever you read it again and again, it makes you a better reader. Okay, so I'm going to pass it out to you. You go ahead and pick it up, and I want you to say, my name is, and then say it so you can practice. Ready? Put it like a phone, so to your ear. There we go. And say, my name is, and then say your name. Can you hear yourself? If you whisper, can you hear yourself? Yes. Okay, put the phone down. Right? So we're going to start reading right now. Again, if you finish the book, what are you going to do? Go back and read it again. Now, this is the other part. When I go like this in front of you, you're going to put your phone down and you're going to read a little louder so I can hear you. Okay, so if I'm over here listening to Emily, she's going to read a little louder, but everybody else is going to continue using the whisper phone. Okay, and then I'll say, okay, thank you, Emily, and then I'm going to go to somebody else and hear them read for a little bit. Okay, so here we go. Go ahead and pick up your whisper phone and turn to the first page. And then go ahead and start reading. Okay? Okay, now put it down. And you're going to read a little louder to me. So what does it say?